Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. In this video I will show you how to transfer your old iPhone data to new iPhone. It's easy, but we need good data connection. This is my old iPhone. It's iPhone 11. And my new iPhone 14 Pro. Now I am going to transfer my all data to new device. Usually when you screen unlock old iPhone near the new iPhone, we can see like this pop-up notification. Then click continue. Now we can see new iPhone screen, to instruction set up new iPhone. Hop the camera to new phone. After this, it take little bit time. Then new iPhone ask your old iPhone passcode. And old iPhone ask about new iPhone. It's for you. Or child?
Wait until we meet though, falling on my feet though. Wait until we meet there. You're falling on my feet, darling. You're the light out in a lonely day. Lay me down now in a misty haze. Oh, yeah.
Now we need Wi-Fi connection.
Way down, it's just not all we need. Like everything we live and breathe, and so yeah.
Then select the option transfer from iCloud or iPhone. If you're going to transfer from iCloud, make sure to you have upload everything to iCloud. If you are not, choose option 2. Transfer from old iPhone. Accept the agreement and confirm your Apple ID password with new iPhone. Then let the transfer all data. After that we can see all data transferred. Can use new iPhone like your old one? Comment me below. Does it work for you? Or not? Subscribe me to watch more video. Thank you.
I needed what you gave to me. You're everything, a living dream. I know, not an enemy. Did you feel it though?